22 litres for $36.
Don't use your phone. Stop recording.
No, come on.
I knew you were recording.
Then
Stop.
get your hand out of the way.
Why? No. It's stop. I don't like it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you're cute. Hello everyone, it's JD here, and today we're going to be going to Glenny Kebabs and Daniel's Donuts for a car meet. And yes, I'm driving, but there's nothing wrong with just like recording while you drive, I guess. So just got petrol, so we're almost ready. I'm going to go and clean my car, then I'm going to go get my camera, and then we're just going to go there at around 4 or 5 o'clock. Yeah. Jesus, that song's so repetitive. Stop it.
Mama said hi.
You don't know how many times I've heard that song on the radio. Yeah, I did forget all of my Easter chocolates too. So that's good on my behalf. Don't eat my chocolate. Not your chocolate. You want a crunchy?
I want a crunchy.
Do you want a crunchy?
Yes.
Oh my god, the dog speaks. Okay, so it says here that we're gonna get there in about 23 minutes, which is earlier than I thought it will, but we'll get there about on 5 o'clock, which is when everyone else should be arriving or getting close to. But anyway, you can stop focusing on me now.
Cool, focus on the speedometer.
From the land that brought you Smith's chips and barbecues at the Bunnings Sundays. I can be that bogan, yeah.
Okay, that was just random.
Well, it was random, but were you even listening to the radio?
Yeah.
Well, that's what I do. I imitate the radio producers because they're always really interesting specimens.
Specimens.
Yes.
Because they're not human, so they're just specimens.
Oh, that guy just did an illegal.
This is a weird song.
Yeah, what the hell are we even listening to right now? I'm gonna change it.
Why?
This song was on like 4 times today. And this song too, I swear, I'm gonna rant right now. Like the radio's like pretty much just the same 7 songs for the whole day, every day, until it gets tiring and boring. That's basically what it is. Like,
nice.
Like, have you ever like thought, hey, I want to hear this song, like it's like really cool, but then like nope, all I'm gonna hear is The Weeknd for like 2 hours, pretty much.
Yes, queen.
I'm not a queen.
Yes, king.
I spit on you. I know the way.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
No. Okay, yeah, I'll stop.
Stop.
Okay, I stop now.
Stop.
Hey,
Go, people.
peeps, go! Before I totes me goats.
Don't shut up.
When you leave me, make me jump up on my road. Didn't face you, would've given you the moon. Even after everything that we've been through, I ain't never met nobody like you. Why you always trying to tell me that it's cool? Need to quiet cause you never tell the truth.
Oh, well. Oh, it's commentary. No. This is a commentary, though.
There's this person right here who like, he attempted to park next to me like 6 times, and then he just gave up, reversed out of the parking lot, and then into the street. Like what the hell? I think he's still over there. Yep, he's still over there. But yeah, so this guy just gave up pretty much like halfway through, like reversing. It was just hilarious. I was just watching him like trying, and he stopped. Then I didn't know where he went for a while, and then he just reversed out of the whole parking lot. Look who it is! And she's going the wrong way! Oh damn.
No, she's not. It's fine.
she's not parking the right way. There's parking over here. And there's parking over here. Okay.
I've successfully kidnapped you.
Oh, cool. Now get in. We're kidnapping you too. For
Alright.
now, we're all like crammed in this tiny car.
What did you? It is not tiny!
This guy's gonna try and park. Oh, he's got a really cool Mustang though. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, watch out for the bus. Oh, the bus is right there.
That's true.
Okay, let's go to the left lane, right lane here, right beside them all. Oh boy, they're all in a row.